Hi. In the video, you will overview fuse diagrams, discover fuse box locations inside your car, and learn any fuse and relay assignments. Passenger compartment. General layout of boxes in the cabin. Left. Right. Fuse box. It is located under the dashboard on the driver's side behind a protective cover. Agar. Designation. Additional elements can be attached to the back of the fuse box. Photo diagram. Fuse box. Left. Right. Type 1. Type 2. Agar. Engine compartment. General layout of blocks in the engine compartment. Life pulled us apart, left me talking to the dark. Fuse and relay box. It is located on the left side of the engine compartment, next to the battery. Diagram from the box cover. Engine compartment. Since 3, scrolling back where we used to be. Half truths in this late night chat, both of us knowing what a line that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. Take me back to the start, before the quiet and the scars. When the world felt small and your hands felt warm. Take me back to the start, if only for a moment. If only for a moment. If only for a moment, take me